There's not enough emotion. They're not creating any emotion within the girl. They probably just talk like this a lot and they don't make eye contact half the time. And they're definitely not smiling. And also just like listen to the rhythm of my voice. Like my voice has no real emotion in it right now. Right. And I'm talking. This is probably how like, if I go into a big corporate office, this is probably how a lot of people would talk. And this is so lame. I want to shoot myself right now. Okay. And there's people that talk even worse than this. This is not effective communication right here. If I go into a nightclub and start talking to girls like this, it's just not effective. Okay. It's not effective. There's probably even people zoning out right now as I'm talking like this. And you're like, dude, get back into the lecture. But this is it, man. Look, you see the difference that how I'm talking right now to how I was just talking? That's it. That is fucking it, man. If I go into the club and I start talking more like this, I'm already halfway to being that guy. I'm already halfway there. I'm not all the way there, but I'm pretty fucking close. Now let's talk about the other last part of it that we could start doing as well. Okay, so before you even worry about the words, you need to understand there is an emotion, an energy, and a vibe to flirting. And this is what it's all about, man. If I'm in the club and I'm interacting like this, girls will be attracted. If I'm in the club and I'm interacting like this, and I can't even hold eye contact with you, well, no one's going to want to be my friend. And I'm probably the same dude and I make the same amount of money and I live the same lifestyle and I live at the same place and I know the same people, but you don't want to be friends with this dude. You're telling me my entire life outcome is going to completely change because I talk and look like this and my face looks like this when I talk and everything else in my entire life could be the same. But if I make that one fucking difference, everything changes. Everything changes. Suddenly, all the dudes want to be my friends. Suddenly, a lot of the girls are attracted to me. Suddenly, I have way more opportunities. I have way better relationships with my friends, with my families, with my coworkers. This is how I got a raise at my first job. I used to be a private investigator. I got 3 raises in the first 6 months of working at the company. How do you think I did that? It's the connection I built with my boss because I would stay in the office with him for like 30 minutes at a time before I went out and worked my cases. I would build up a connection with them. This is everything, man. This is everything here. So for anybody that's in here is like, well, that's all great, but like, I still don't know what to say. Shut the fuck up. You're wrong. Okay. You need to work on your vibe. There's never been somebody that has worked with me personally where I was like, dude, your communication, we don't even need to change a thing. There's never been a single person like that. Why do you think that is? Because everybody that communicates like that has the dating life they want. They don't need that because they got the communication on point. Okay, that's why I'm so big into communication. That's why every person that I work with personally, that's like one of the first and foremost things I'm doing is tweaking their communication and really pointing out all the little flaws they have and what needs to be in place. And then I give you drills and daily, weekly assignments to do in the mentorship program so that you're constantly working on it. Okay. There's like 3 different drills you need to do in week 2. There's a communication recording that you need to do that I break down, critique, point out what needs to be done differently. Then in week 3, we make those tweaks. You re-record yourself. We break it down again. We compare it to myself and we're constantly tweaking the dials here, guys. That's how you fucking improve with this shit. You don't go on YouTube and write down, hey, I thought you were cute, so I wanted to come meet you. I would be kicking myself all day if I didn't say hi. Oh yeah, that's the line. Yeah, that's gonna get me the girl. Nah, man, it doesn't work like that. Because even if you say the line, like then what, dude? You want to keep the girl? You need that. You got to be like fun. Like I'm fun. I'm cool. People want to hang out with me. That's game. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And by the way, if you want to work with me personally to implement any of the techniques in this video to become more socially confident, get more women in your life, build a bigger social circle, and really just dominate life in any aspect socially, I can help you with that. I'm the fucking guy for that, okay? Been doing this for a long time. I've transformed myself going from a video game nerd loser to becoming one of the top guys in the industry with this stuff, okay? So if you're interested in working with me personally, click the link below, click the link in the description, fill out the application, and we will be contacting you to discuss further details. Until next time, Coach Kyle signing out. Peace.